drenched because I ran our Thai food back to the car and then it started downpouring more.
Oh gosh. And now you're covered in soap, in snow soap. Good morning, everybody. Entering my studio. So today, I was planning on unboxing these guys, but then I totally forgot that we have to go to town, visit Kale's parents, and do a little bit of errands today. Today's a Saturday. And so I'm gonna be doing that, and maybe if you have time, I'll unbox these at the end of the video when we come back after our visit. But I'll take you guys along with me for this visit and show you around. Did you guys see that scene in the very beginning of this vlog? I can't believe that it's December. It's gorgeous. Like, I'm wearing a sweater. I came down to the studio, walked outside, and felt comfortable. That's a blessing. I love that. Update on the shelves. I spoke to Webster Store and they're sending a replacement for the frame that's dented, and also for, I counted 5 pans that were dented. So that's awesome. I'm hoping that the replacements aren't dented, but I already got a comment saying that the same thing happened to them and their replacements were also dented. So we'll see. I mean, at least I got one shelf from them that was completely fine. But yeah, I mean, I could still use this one. I just don't feel confident. I just don't think it's particularly sturdy because it's missing that middle support rod, 2 of them. We'll see. I have a lot of orders on the board too, and I don't know if I have enough inventory for all of them. So I might be spending Sunday making stuff, but that's something that I want to do today as well, is to check up on my inventory and see whether or not I have enough to cover my orders. My current order processing time is 3 to 5 days, but I might have to change that to 5 to 7 days because it's hard keeping up. And I also have to shrink wrap these guys. They're rock hard. They're ready to be shrink wrapped, but I also need to take pictures of them so that I can sell them on my website. Lots to do and so little time. Look at our beautiful wreath. We had to put our fall one away because it's now December.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna take the dogs out.
Okay. Oh, nice bow, Gibbs. The dogs are coming with us today, but Jiggy, you're gonna have to be here by yourself. Are you okay with that? You okay with watching the house for us while we're gone? Now, sweet girl. Taco Bell sounds so good right now. I got more stuff from Soper's Choice. I'll need to bring that down later.
I'm gonna wear sunglasses, which like never happens in December here.
Yeah, I was telling them how sunny and warm it feels today. Gorgeous day. There's the house we were considering at some point. Actually, if you were to ask Kale, we were never considering it. It was pretty bad.
Came to look at it.
It was in rough shape.
The pictures online looked a lot better than it did in person.
It's in such rough shape too. But look at this house, beautiful. And then these houses up here, super cute. And down that end you can see just the littlest glimmer of water. And that's the harbor part, I guess, from about with the name.
Yeah, harbor's over here. This is Bud Inlet that goes into Olympia.
Oh wow.
There's like a house over here that had like French spelling or something. It said something in French. Maybe it's back down there.
Look at these cute little houses. And here is where all the activity happens in Boston Harbor. But this is just the most adorable little community.
Oh, something's going on down there.
Yeah, looks like a bit of an event.
Yeah, the team. Then the launch is right here.
Mm-hmm.
This launch is known for being super steep.
Oh yeah, look at that. It wasn't meant to be.
Wow.
It's like...
Oh yeah, there's Lake Marche. That means the mall.
Debsy?
Oh, hello.
Hi, what are you making for us tonight for dinner?
I just rubbed up this leg of lamb with some rosemary, some salt, olive oil, lemon juice.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, yep,
Good
it smells
job.
good. You can smell it, right?
Yeah, it smells garlicky and fantastic.
Got the oven preheating now.
Nice.
Might take longer than usual because it's still kind of frozen in the middle.
Who hasn't tried to cook a roast from frozen,
Yeah.
right?
Yep. We might be at my parents until 11 o'clock.
And that is fine. Bread pudding. Hey.
Oh. It always fogs up my glasses.
Oh, that looks so good. They're probably really far off since it's still frozen in the middle.
Yeah, don't be fooled.
And here are the Christmas lights that Kale helped install. Good job, Kale. Oh, it looks amazing.
Okay, I was thinking about this more, and I think you should. It's gonna be better if you try and take it back.
How cool does this greenhouse look with all these Christmas lights in there? It's just so festive. So beautiful. Wow. We just got home. Chiggy? Hi, honey. We have more packages up here. And I was going to unbox something today, but it's late. It's past 9. And I think what I'm gonna do instead is just unbox it tomorrow, have it for the next vlog. This is a lot of stuff. Nothing too crazy happened in today's vlog, but I'm glad I was able to bring you guys along with me. For just a typical Saturday, we try to visit Kale's parents as often as possible, weekly. And sorry, she's just being really cute. please tune in for tomorrow's vlog. I'm sorry that today's wasn't as exciting as it usually is and didn't feature as much business stuff as I had planned, but sometimes that's how life goes. And if you want to see more, and I promise more videos, we'll have more making and other fun soap business related content, then please subscribe. And if you want to know how I make all of my stuff, that's on my Patreon, which is linked down below. Speaking of my Patreon, thank you to my patrons. And also to...
Oh,
Hi.
scare me.
I was just signing off.
Oh.
But I was telling them that if they would like to see more, then to please subscribe. And until the next video, keep smiling and keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next video.
Dempsey, come on. Let's get you up.